Good evening and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. As part of his two-day visit to West Bengal, BJP President JP Nadda was on the way to Diamond Harbour near Kolkata to address a meeting of party workers today. Interestingly, this is the constituency where Mamta's nephew Abhishek Banerjee is the MP. On the road and in the open, in the presence of the police, those with TMC flags in their hands threw bricks, hurled stones and beat up people with lathis. At least 7 leaders of the BJP were present when the mob attacked. There are shocking visuals which I will show you today of how the glass windows are shattered. 1-foot-long bricks are hurled at cars, part of a convoy. It's a murderous attack. And how there was an endless stone pelting at the BJP and its supporters. JP Nadda said Mamta has descended the state into, quote, lawlessness, anarchy and intolerance. I think it's an understatement. He said, intolerance, thy name is Mamta. He said this Gunda Raj cannot be allowed to continue. This is Jungle Raj. The administration has collapsed. Meanwhile, Mamta had just one thing to say: Nautanki. She said when they have no audience, they call their workers for doing Nautanki. Her cops simply said nothing happened to the convoy. I will show you the evidence, viewers, today, and you'll be flabbergasted at the kind of response of the TMC. Now, as the battle lines in Bengal are drawn, as the face-off intensifies, and as the violence escalates before the 21 elections, the question is simple. Can Mamta look the other way as violence flourishes? Or will this onset of anarchy be her biggest Achilles heel as the BJP makes quick inroads? Hi everyone, this is Arnab Goswami and I want to talk about our digital platform Republic World, the fastest news destination which has got you covered on all fronts, be it politics, entertainment or sport. And the reason I want you to follow Republic World is because for far too long there has only been negativity about India on the digital medium. Republic World is my campaign against the negativity prevalent on social media and digital media. So for the first time, I offer you a choice. Get the content that builds the nation. Avoid the content and avoid everyone on digital media who speaks against the nation. And do not forget to download the Republic World app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching. Together, let's kill the negativity against India on the digital media. Let's ensure that it's truly nation first, no compromise.